Hello students, myself Ravi Mishra, PhD Biology. Today we discuss 10th class topic breakdown of glucose by various pathway. The breakdown of glucose is called respiration. Already we know that. Respiration means oxidation of food takes place in presence of oxygen. But the oxidation of takes place in absence of oxygen also. So we discuss these conditions by this graph. In this graph we represent the breakdown of glucose in both conditions, aerobic conditions as well as anaerobic conditions, means absence of oxygen and presence of oxygen. Now we explain the anaerobic process, means the oxidation of glucose takes place in absence of oxygen. In anaerobic respiration, the microorganism like yeast break down glucose into ethanol, carbon dioxide and release little amount of energy. During anaerobic respiration, one molecule of glucose produce only two energy rich ATP molecule. A few organisms such as yeast plant and certain bacteria shows anaerobic respiration can obtain energy from food in absence of oxygen by the process of anaerobic respiration. In anaerobic condition, the microorganism like yeast break down glucose into ethanol, carbon dioxide and release little amount of energy. This energy is then used by the microorganism. The breakdown of glucose during anaerobic respiration carried out by the yeast can be represented as follow. Glucose arrow pyruvic acid plus energy arrow in absence of oxygen. In yeast ethanol plus carbon dioxide and 2 ATP. In this respiration, the glucose firstly convert into pyruvic acid and release some amount of energy by the glycolysis process. This process complete in cytoplasm of the cell. During formation of pyruvic acid, the yeast help to convert glucose directly into ethanol and carbon dioxide and 2 ATP. The other condition of aerobic respiration is the aerobic respiration takes place in human body muscle cell. In this respiration, the glucose convert into pyruvic acid and release some amount of energy by the glycolysis process that takes place in cytoplasm. During lack of oxygen takes place in muscle cells, the pyruvic acid convert into lactic acid and here a little amount of energy released. In aerobic condition, the glucose food is completely break down into carbon dioxide and water by oxidation process. Aerobic respiration produce a considerable amount of energy for use by the organism which get stored in the ATP molecule. The breakdown of glucose during aerobic respiration can be represented as follow. In this aerobic respiration, the glucose convert into pyruvate and release some amount of energy by the process of glycolysis. This process takes place in the cytoplasm of the cell. After this, the glucose finally convert into carbon dioxide, water and release 38 ATP in the presence of oxygen. This complete process takes place in mitochondria and represented by the Krebs cycle. Now, in next videos, we discuss the human respiratory system. Now thanks a lot.